What's good, YouTube? This your boy Glock T, man. I know it's been a few months since I dropped the video, but I'm finna come back in with something a little different, a little fun. This is what I call my first Glock T t-shirt giveaway, and the reason I've been MIA within the months of the last video that I dropped, I've been working on custom shirts. I've been hand drawing on shirts, and I've been doing different designs on them and stuff like that. I've been doing skull caps and stuff like that. So, in this giveaway right here, I want y'all to guess how many bullets do y'all think that's up in my modified 9mm mag? How many bullets do y'all think in here? I got a paper towel over it because it's gonna be too easy for most people because you can stop it, you can see it and everything, and you will find out too quick. So I made it a little complicated for, I guess, most people. But people say it's ridiculous of how many bullets that I got up in there. So y'all gotta kind of up the score a little bit on how many up in there. That just gave y'all a hint. So, cause I'm really excited about doing this shirt and my giveaway at the same time. So, cause I've been really enjoying picking up on something new, and I'm really loving it. So, hey, I want y'all to go ahead and have fun with me. Go ahead and tune in. Guess how many it is on watching everything. And the winner, whoever the winner is, you gotta be subscribed. You gotta like all my videos, and we're gonna move on from there. So once everything in place, we're gonna go ahead and like I said, move on from there. And I got something in the house, man, that's gonna rock everything, you know what I'm saying? But that's on my next video after this giveaway, because I just got something and I've been slacking, y'all. So we finna go ahead and move on to these designs in the house to give y'all a general idea of the stuff that I've been doing. I think I started somewhere around 420, you know, so y'all finna see them designs. And I had started on something else after that. But it don't have to specifically be those designs though. It can be something else, you know what I'm saying? It's a little hot out here, y'all. It can be something else. I'm just giving y'all a general idea of the work that I've been doing, you know what I'm saying? The reason why I've been MIA. And also I've been doing other stuff, so I had to maintain a whole lot. But we finna move into the designs real quick, man. And then we're gonna come back out here. We're gonna finish up, and we're gonna, you know what I'm saying, shut it out. But let's have fun, y'all. Welcome to my first Glock t-shirt giveaway. Let's move on. Let's get it. So we back in the house now. This is one of my first shirts that I had started painting on. Like, I wanted to test the paint out to see what it go right on the shirt, see how the shirt will react to the paint, see if I can wash it or whatnot, see if anything will be faded on it after I wash it. And everything turned out pretty great. This is one of my first ones, so I was like, okay, I can go ahead and continue doing what I'm doing now, because I like to draw. I like to, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't paint at first, to be honest with y'all. Just picked up on paint. My mom know how to paint, but I couldn't paint worth for nothing. I can always draw. But I tried it. Now I got a new skill, so I'm finna take it next level, which is the suicidal teddy bear that I was talking about. It catch a lot of people's attention. Man, this is one of my favorite ones. My recent pieces at that. Like, this is one of my recent shirts. So, I don't know. I feel like somebody would probably want me to do this one for them, but I'm just giving y'all general ideas of, like, my designs, the recent designs that I've done, you know, or what I've been working on, the reason I've been MIA on the YouTube or whatever. But hey, I'm gonna turn back up. Don't even worry about it. I ain't gonna show y'all what I got still though. I gotta put my shirts in the cleaners too, y'all, so don't even worry about that, because from previous wears, and they've been sitting on my wall for numerous months. So yeah, they got dirt on them. Let's move on. We got this one, which is for the ladies. You know, had somebody to wear this one, caught people attention. You know, caught a couple of women attention. So I'm not done with this one, to be honest with y'all. I'm not done with this one at all. So y'all let me know if the women, let me know if y'all like that. I'm just giving y'all ideas. This is one of my ones, man. I love this, and I chose some good coloring on this one. Like, for sure, chose good coloring. I love it. Really love it. Now, this is one I'm done with for sure, though. Done with this one. Unless I need to add something else. No, I don't need to add nothing else. I don't need to add nothing else. Cool. Then you got your boy Rick. Hey, but I think a lot of people gonna feel this one too. Just to be honest with you, a lot of people gonna feel it. My bad, just folded in. Been sitting on the wall, but I'm not done with Rick though. I'm not done with him at all. I got some stuff to do to him, so yeah, he gonna be sitting on the wall for a little minute until I brainstorm some other stuff. But got my little alien number, my 420 alien right here. You know, this is the 420 stuff I was doing, our design around that time, you know. So Had to pick up on something new, man. Like I said, my shirts, all of them gotta get thrown in the cleaners today. They going bye-bye. And then, last but not least, is the 2 blunts with the smoke on the side. Marijuana leaf in the middle. Yeah, this one of the ones too. So y'all see what I've been busy with, man. And also, don't forget, if you on a PSN, add me on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, you know, PSN right here. But hey, y'all, these are general ideas of the stuff that I've been doing, you know. Just let me know. You know what I'm saying, what y'all like. We finna go ahead and head back outside now, y'all. Let's get it. Okay, so we back out here. I hope y'all feeling them designs, man, because my favorite joint, I call it the suicidal teddy bear. The one that has the head coming off the teddy bear body. I love that one. Everybody love that one. Every time I step out in public, it catch a lot of people's eyes. So I feel like if I do move forward, that would be one of the main ones. You know what I'm saying? I love that one. But despite that one, the other ones, I love the other ones too. So just a general idea of whatever y'all may want. You know what I'm saying? Or if y'all like one of them, I can do one of them for you. But it's not gonna be those shirts. I'm redoing all that. You know what I'm saying? Whatever color you want, you let me know, or I'll freestyle it if you want me to. But I'm finna really enjoy this giveaway right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna really turn up on whoever the winner is. I'm gonna turn up on your shirt, man. I'm gonna make sure you straight. So we're gonna go ahead and shut it out. I want everybody to like, subscribe, comment. Let's have fun on this jump, man. I want y'all to hit them comments. Guess how many in there? I want y'all to, let me show y'all. Show you again. Just in case. Y'all wanna see how long the clip is? I mean the mag, my bad. See how long it is? Just show it. Just guess how many it is. So let's get it, y'all. Welcome to Glock T-shirt giveaway, man. Let's get it. Kids on KT.